Hosted by 3 countries, Canada, Mexico, and the United States, the FIFA 2026 edition was already going to be the biggest World Cup. It will now also become the longest too, with the recent announcement of extending the tournament to 48 teams and 104 games over about 39 days. Record-breaking achievements have been a defining characteristic of both past and future World Cups. Consider the 2022 tournament hosted by Qatar, for instance. The host country allocated a staggering $220 billion, making it the most expensive World Cup in history. Hello, welcome to another episode of dooacademy. Today, we will be sharing about why countries are keen to host the FIFA World Cup. What exactly is the hype over this global sporting event? Does hosting the World Cup bring any investment opportunities? Hosting the World Cup involves a comprehensive bidding process that spans approximately 7 to 10 years before the tournament takes place. Nations eager to host the event must submit a compelling bid that outlines how it would promote sports to a global audience. After the bidding phase, the final decision rests with FIFA, who conducts an electronic vote during the FIFA Congress to select the future host nation. Therefore, the journey to host the World Cup is a decade-long endeavor, where countries compete to showcase their ability to organize a world-class event and captivate audiences worldwide. Hosting the FIFA World Cup brings both short-term and long-term changes to the host country. In the short term, it stimulates tourism, hotel stays, job creation, and increased spending by local institutions. The World Cup generates long-term effects through investments made in hosting the event, such as the development of infrastructure like roads, transport projects, and stadiums. When managed properly, these investments can expand the host country's economic capacity. Furthermore, the World Cup contributes to increased tourism as well as revenue from ticket sales and TV rights. For instance, the Qatar World Cup 2022 generated approximately $7.5 billion for FIFA through commercial deals, marking a significant increase of $1 billion compared to the previous World Cup in Russia in 2018. Imagine Qatar as an investor. Is hosting the World Cup a good idea? It all depends on how many benefits the host country will take home. Profitability should not be solely measured in monetary terms, as the long-term impact on the local economy can also be substantial. Well-planned construction projects and infrastructure developments associated with mega sports events contribute to the country's growth potential. For example, the newly built infrastructure can be leveraged to attract future major European finals, such as in the Europa League or Champions League, thereby expanding the country's hosting capabilities. On the other hand, although direct profits from ticket sales and TV rights go to FIFA, the host country still benefits by showcasing itself as an attractive investment and business destination. This has been proven as Qatar experienced a remarkable surge in its tourism sector during the World Cup, attracting over 1.4 million fans. This influx of visitors showcases the country's ability to captivate international travelers. Billions were spent in Qatar World Cup, but it has also helped the country to achieve its vision of sustainable development in 2030. The country aims to further strengthen tourism by increasing its contribution to GDP from 7% to 12%. The investments made for the World Cup, including the construction of metro lines, airports, and roads, have not only supported the tournament but also contributed to Qatar's vision of sustainable development. Repurposing stadiums, such as the Education City Stadium, into educational facilities further enhances the long-term benefits for the host country. By taking a comprehensive view of the investments made for the World Cup, including their impact on the local economy and potential for future growth, the host country can see it as a valuable investment opportunity with lasting benefits. So, does hosting the World Cup prove to be a rewarding decision? In the case of Qatar, hosting the 2022 FIFA World Cup has proven to be economically beneficial in both the short and long term. Look at the bigger picture. It is the mix of investments that will earn the total return over time that you need. Now, say if you had the opportunity to decide whether to host a mega event like the World Cup in your country, would you choose to do so? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and follow for more actionable investment insights.